Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified of the latest videos we publish. The Nokia 6 was launched by HMD Global at the Nokia Mobile launch event ahead of Mobile World Congress 2018. This is an Android One smartphone, which also happens to be the handset's biggest highlight. It bears the company's Bothie feature, and the fingerprint sensor has been moved to the rear panel instead of below the display. It is built out of a single block of anodized 6000 series aluminium. The Nokia 6 will be available in single SIM and dual SIM variants depending on the region, and it runs Android 8 Oreo. As we mentioned, the smartphone is an Android One offering with the promise of stock Android and swift updates. The smartphone sports a 5.5-inch Full HD 1080 by 1920 pixels IPS display complete with Gorilla Glass 5 and is powered by the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 SoC with 3GB or 4GB of LPDDR4 RAM. The smartphone sports a 16-megapixel rear camera with phase detection autofocus, an f2.0 aperture, 1 micron pixels, dual-tone LED flash, and Zeiss optics. On the front, the Nokia 6 2018 bears an 8-megapixel fixed focus camera with an f2.0 aperture and 1.12 micron pixels. The smartphone has 32GB or 64GB of inbuilt storage, expandable up to 128GB via a microSD card. It bears a single speaker with a smart amplifier and Nokia spatial audio with 2 mics. Its thickness is 8.15mm, going up to 8.6mm with the camera bump. It is powered by a 3000 mAh battery rated to deliver up to 16 hours of talk time and up to 507 hours of standby time. The Nokia 6's price has been set at €279, which is roughly 22,200 rupees without taxes and subsidies, but the official India price has not been announced yet. The smartphone will be launched in 3 color variants: black copper, white iron and blue gold, and will go on sale from early April in 2 variants: 3GB RAM and 32GB of storage and 4GB RAM with 64GB of storage. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends, and you can also log on to Gadgets360.com for all things tech.